Hello guys, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make quesadilla. In this quesadilla recipe, I'll be adding a teaspoon of paprika to 300 grams of boneless chicken, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne, and half teaspoon of salt. I will now marinate the chicken with the added quesadilla seasonings. So just rub everything around the chicken and let the chicken coat with the seasoning. Once the chicken is well marinated, I'll now place the pan on heat, and to the pan I'll add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil is heated, I'll bring in the seasoned chicken. I'm going to pan fry the chicken for 8 minutes on one side, then flip over to the other side and pan fry as well. Once the chicken pieces are beautifully charred on both sides, I'm just going to take them out of the pan. Let the chicken cool down and then cut into smaller pieces. I'm still going to be using the same pan, and to eat, I'm going to be adding a quarter cup of chopped onion. I'm just going to saute this for a minute. And I'll go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. And once the onion and the garlic are fragrant, I'll go in with half cup of red bell peppers, half cup of green bell pepper, and half cup of yellow bell peppers. And I'll season the veggies with a pinch of salt and more black pepper. Stir fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll go in with the chicken. I'll just mix everything together and let the chicken heat through. So I've cooked this for another 5 minutes, and I'm now going to turn off my heat. I'll go ahead and place the pan on heat to it. I'll add in a quarter teaspoon of butter. I'll let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, I'll place my tortilla in the pan. I will then add in mozzarella cheese. I'll also add in some cheddar cheese. I'll also bring in the filling, and I'll also top it up with sweet corn. You can add coriander or any other vegetable as you like. Finally, top it up with more cheese. I'm doing all of this on a very low heat. I'm going to fold the tortilla halfway using my hand. We're going to pan grill this for a couple of minutes until the cheese starts to melt and the tortilla turns a little bit brown. Once my chicken quesadilla is nicely brown on one side, I'll flip to the other side and grill as well. Once my chicken quesadilla is nicely brown on both sides, I'll take it out of the pan. So guys, our homemade chicken quesadilla recipe is ready. You can go ahead and cut this into desired shape and enjoy. So this was how to make chicken quesadilla at home. This is quite easy and really delicious. If you have made this, what other ingredients do you add to your chicken quesadilla recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you love this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until next time guys, stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye.